Tip number 1. Temperature. Crown of thorns plant is temperature and moisture sensitive. A sudden change in temperature or dampness results in the absence of bloom. Crown of thorns thrives in warm climates with temperatures in the range 15 to 35 degrees Celsius. Below 15.6 degrees Celsius, use grow lights to increase temperature, otherwise the plant will stop flowering. Tip number 2. Sunlight. It will bloom best when it receives about 4 to 6 hours of direct sunlight daily or 2 to 3 hours of direct morning sun, if in very warm climate. Too much sun on warmer days will scorch the flowers and change their color. So it is better to protect it from hot midday direct sunlight. If growing crown of thorns indoors, then place your plant on south-facing window to get sunlight. If you do not have such a window, then use grow lights to get blooms. Too much light at night can reduce blooming. Darkness during night stimulates blooming. Tip number 3. Soil mix. Good potting soil is very important for crown of thorns to bloom. The soil should be free-draining and nutrition-rich. Mix 1 part garden soil, 1/2 part each of compost, 1/2 part small pebbles or coarse river sand. The compost adds nutrition to the soil and the sand makes the soil free water draining. Tip number 4. Watering. Water the crown of thorns regularly. Allow the top 1-inch soil to dry between waterings. Insert your finger in soil and check before you water. Overwatering can result in leaf loss and reduction in looms or failure to bloom. Reduce water during the winter months. Tip number 5. Fertilizer. Nitrogen-rich fertilizer will grow only foliage. A fertilizer low in nitrogen and high in phosphorus is the best to limit leaf growth and encourage blooms. Feed bone meal, ammonium phosphate or seaweed solution every month from early spring to late autumn. Tip number 6. Remove some of the bottom leaves so that the plant directs all of its energy in growing flowers. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.